Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can transfer your tokens from bybit to roqqu wallet. I'm making this video because of someone asked me to do it. One of my crypto community person asked me how to withdraw from bybit to roqqu. Please make a video on that. So on behalf of her, I'm going to be doing this video, and I'm just going to be showing you exactly what to do to transfer it to from bybit to roqqu app. I'm not going to be using funds in this video, right? Because maybe in the future I might be using funds to do it for a better explanation. So right now I'll go back to my roqqu app. This is a roqqu app. Roqqu app is an alternative way to withdraw your funds in case you cashed out from any airdrop or you made profit from your trading on bybit. It's an alternative way to withdraw your tokens to your bank account, especially here in Nigeria. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you now is that we are going to be sending USDT from bybit to roqqu app, assuming we are sending USDT. So the first thing I will do is that I'll come over to my roqqu app and I'll look for USDT. Now I'll click on this wallet here. This is where my tokens are. Scroll down until I find USDT. If you can't find it easily, you can just use the search bar at the top. Click on this search bar and type USDT. Okay, it's showing me here already. Now when I click on USDT, the next thing I need to do is that I need to click on this receive here. Then make sure you don't use the wrong network. For USDT, with the popular network we mostly use is TRC20, which is under Throne. Now what you have to do is just copy your address. I copy the top. For any of those address can go. I just copy one of them, one at the top. Then I will now go over to bybit. Now that is my receiving address. It's just like my account number for receiving money. So if I want to receive any USDT from any exchange, I will use that my address. If I want to receive USDT to roqqu from any exchange, I will use that address as my receiving address. So now I've come over to bybit, assuming I'm having USDT on bybit. Assuming I don't want to use the other methods of withdrawing. If you want me to talk about those methods, come on the comment section and we'll discuss about that. Now, about what we are talking about. If you come over to bybit and then you come over to assets here, when you come over to assets, you what I want you to when you go over to withdraw, this is what I was checking. You click on USDT, enter it. It's going to take you over to this place now for withdrawing. In this bybit app, we have on-chain and internal transfer, but that's by the way. So that address we copy from roqqu app, we hold here and paste it. This is our roqqu address, just like our account number. Then we'll go down over to network. We'll click on network. Remember, it's TRC20, which is Throne network. We click on it, and they are showing us they are going to give us a fee of 1.3 USDT. You click on it for that network. You select the amount of USDT you want, maybe 2, 10, if it's 100, any amount of USDT you want to transfer. Then you click on withdraw. It's going to take about average 2 to 5 minutes. You see your balance on roqqu. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, so you don't have to use my estimate. So this is how you can withdraw your tokens from your bybit to your roqqu app. So if you want me to make any other extra video concerning this withdrawing, I'll make a more narrow video. How will I put it? A more specific video on this roqqu to bybit withdrawal. If you want it, if you got any value from this video, like this video, share this video, and click on the notification so you get to see more valuable videos like this and I'll see you on my next video.